And if you look at for instance, the level of pollution of the Nairobi River, the pollution of the river, our people are drinking poison every day. My friends, under Kalonzo Musyoka presidency, we will clean our rivers and make it clean. Give our people clean drinking water. Again on agriculture, the example of Embu and Kirinyaga counties comes to mind. They are renowned in East and Central Africa for being the largest producer for macadamia. This is the most lucrative cash crop after tea, and it has a potential to turn even an ordinary chicken farmer to a genuine tax-paying agri-millionaire. Hakika tutaweza. We must therefore exploit this untapped potential for value addition for not just the macadamia market, but for all our cash crops, and boost this nation's economy. This is why we say one county, one factory. Hakika tutaweza. Now you ask, how will this vision be realized? Allow me to explain. President Uhuru Kenyatta is on record stating that Kenya loses 2 billion shillings a day to theft and corruption. This translates to 6 to 60 billion monthly that can immensely transform our lives if put to their intended use. In addition, by pinpointing problem solving and prudent public management, we will eliminate costly and unnecessary programs which are solely designed to eat from you. We will keep what works and let go of that which doesn't. Na hakika tutaweza. Moreover, Kenya has vast untapped mineral resources, which include gold and copper, and until recently, even coal in the Mui Basin, but pulled into exploitation, because coal, properly used, was able to turn Europe into what it is in the Americas. Now we'll have to contend with copper and gold that will now be effectively utilized with value addition initiated at all levels. We envisage the wholesome involvement of artisanal miners, and government structures and policies will be introduced to streamline this sector. The returns here have the potential to wipe out our external debt. Our women are a significant pillar in nation building. Therefore, the socio-economic empowerment of women will be a core pillar of my development agenda. Through access to interest-free credit and other various initiatives, fellow delegates, we have work to do. I tell you, we have a lot of work to do to be able to free ourselves from economic, and now ahead of elections in August, what is turning out to be political tyranny. To this end, I believe firmly in the vision of the One Kenya Alliance. And I really want to congratulate and really encourage my brothers and sisters in the One Kenya Alliance, because I see the future of this country is in one Kenya, one people, united in strength and purpose, striding forward confidently towards our vision for a prosperous and progressive Kenya. Today, we will boldly and courageously plant the seeds for our present and our future. Hakika tutaweza. This is more than a campaign, a political campaign. I mean, this is really more than a political campaign. This is a step change towards charting a new and a better future for Kenya with a visionary path to walk. We must embark bravely, ladies and gentlemen, towards sovereignty and in fact towards decency as a people. How would you want me to live? Instead of moving digitally forward, you want me to embrace wheelbarrow economics? Ladies and gentlemen, we have better minds than that. Prosperity. We must be united as a country, for how blessed we shall be when we walk together and in unity and purpose. Rest assured, ladies and gentlemen, hakika tutaweza. Thank you and may God bless you. May God bless Kenya. And thank you for honoring us. God bless you.
Twende.
Hakika.
Kalonzo, tunataka Kalonzo. Kalonzo, tunataka Kalonzo. Wani wanasema isi wetu watano ni Kalonzo. Kalonzo, tunataka Kalonzo. Nairobi twasema Kalonzo, tunataka Kalonzo.
Kumshangilie His Excellency Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka.
Kalonzo, tunataka Kalonzo. Kalonzo, tunataka Kalonzo. Wale Profesa Kaloki, sapota mkubwa wa Patilika. Pamoja na hona wa Tsunami. Kalonzo, tunataka Kalonzo.
Wapisha
Isi wetu watano ni Kalonzo. Mama waimba. Isi wetu watano ni Kalonzo. Boda boda wasema Kalonzo, tunataka Kalonzo. Biashara wasema Kalonzo, tunataka Kalonzo. Wakulima wasema Kalonzo, tunataka Kalonzo nzima. Honorable Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, kiongozi mwenye busara, amehudumia kwa mataifa, amehudumia Wakenya, anaweza.
tushangilie viongozi.